step into the Toyota 2018 Tundra 4WD SR5 Crew Cab Pickup. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system, SR5 package, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, SIRIUSXM, CD player, radio, in-tune audio display, AM/FM HDW CD player, SIRIUSXM Satellite Radio, air conditioning and power steering. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.